Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today is about to solve a triangle. What does it mean to solve a triangle? It means to find the measure of all the three angles of each of the three angles and of each of the three sides of the triangle. Usually, two information only are given, and we have to find the rest. We are going to solve using trigonometry only, which means sine, cosine, and tangent. Let me start first writing what are the given information in this triangle. Do I have measure of angle A? No. Measure of angle B? Yes, it is 30 degrees. And of course, they have to give me that one angle is 90 degrees to be able to apply those trigonometric ratios. Regarding the sides, AB, side AB is not given, side BC is not given, side AC is given, which is 5. Now I still have to find one more angle, two sides. I know that you will tell me I can use the property that sum of angles is 180 degrees. We are not going to use it because they said in the question using trigonometry only. You know that the relation in trigonometry is between two sides and one angle. Here I have one angle, I have one side. So I can find a side. It's up to you to start finding side AB or BC. Let us start finding side AB. I have the opposite side and I have to find the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse means that I'm going to use the sine. Sine of 30 degrees is opposite, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is side AB. AB equals, since it's in the denominator, so I use the property AB divided by 1, which is AB equals to 5 divided by sine 30. Using the calculator, you will find that side AB will be 10. I'll go up and write the side that I found. Then I have to find one more side, one more angle. I'm not going to use Pythagorean theorem to find BC. I'm going to use trigonometric ratios. With respect to the angle 30, BC is the adjacent and it's given the opposite. I have the choice to use the hypotenuse. I'm going to use 5 and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent means that I'm going to use tangent. So I'll say tan 30 equals to 5 over BC. Using the same way, BC equals to 5 over tangent 30. So BC is going to be 5 radical 3 and or I can write it as 8.66. Now I have here 5 radical 3, which is 8.66 rounded to 3 significant figures. I still have to find angle A. I have the side, I want to find this angle. I have the side that is adjacent, and I'm going to use either the hypotenuse or the side that is opposite to it. So this is adjacent to A. I'm going to use adjacent and hypotenuse, which means I'm going to use cosine A. Cosine of angle A, which is missing, equals to the adjacent 5 over the hypotenuse 10. Remember that when you want to find measure of an angle, you have to do the cosine inverse of 5 over 10. Measure of angle A, by using a calculator, it will be 60 degrees. Now what do I have to do is to go and check my work. All of you know that sum of angles in any triangle is 180. Add those three angles, 60 plus 30 is 90, plus 90 is 180 degrees. It's correct. Using Pythagorean theorem, check that those three sides, they can form a right angle triangle. I can make, where is the hypotenuse? It's 10. So square root of 10 squared minus 5 squared, it must give me the third side, which is 5 radical 3. So my work is correct. Thank you.